Yo, what is up? So, I have actually, believe it or not, installed Linux Nabara, and Fabio from Ancient Gameplays recommended this one because I did try a different Linux, but I didn't really like it. But this one is far better, and I really like the wallpapers. You got about 12 different versions of this or more, so I do like that. And it's literally like if you've never used Windows before, it's literally like learning all that again because it is completely different. Um, Although it is a bit similar, but um, obviously that it's just a different way of doing everything. Like there's a lot of coding and stuff like that, like with this console thing here. So you got to learn all these commands, like to uninstall stuff. So to uninstall something, it would be sudo dnf remove, then just like whatever program you want to remove, and then you press enter. So it is it's not for someone who's literally new to PCs, that's for sure. But I do like challenging myself, and I've been thinking about it. And as soon as I watched Fabio's video on the F-Star 4 on the XTX, I just thought, so that I'll have a go. I just want to, because I've always wanted to try Linux, but I could never really. I just thought, well, I do love Windows. So what I've done is all you need literally is a USB drive to to literally boot it to try it out. So you just got to go if you want this one, you will need to download it to USB, uh, and you just basically restart the system. You don't have to overwrite your Windows drive. You just restart the system, boot it to the USB. Uh, that's a short story, and then you just basically got to install it on a different drive, and then you can just boot it up uh, whenever you want. So that's what I'm going to do. What I've done is I've got a 2 terabyte hard drive that I just use it to back up some games. But I've got plenty of space, so I just allocated some extra room for Linux, and so that's basically what I've done. It's not it's like it's quite a hard it's quite an old hard drive to be honest, but it seems to be doing the job. I mean the good thing is I can actually it's ridiculous. Really, I didn't think I'd be able to do that, but I can open up Steam and use the NVMe drives what I was using on Windows to play my games. So that is amazing to me. I mean, all it had to do was just detect all my games. Yeah, it's literally done that. Just there is a compatibility mode basically. So you just put that on. You got all these protons. So there's still things I've got to figure out, but because I've literally not even got around to playing games yet. But I've got them all. I've I'm gonna try that because there's a few things. I mean, I've been looking at what was it? Say, obviously you won't have a AMD's Adrenaline on here, so but it's like there's apps that are called something like lacked, which is pretty much giving you that overclocking ability. So if we go in here and so I'm basically doing it the same way. So this is the overclock I had in Adrenaline. So this is what I'm using at the moment because as I said, I found this to be giving me for some reason I'm getting 2 more FPS at minus 25 offset with my undervote compared to minus 30. So I thought I'd just go take 5 off again because it seems to be I'm getting more performance doing that. So that's what I've settled at minus 25. That's the same VRAM clock I had. So I've just put it at that 2714. I'll put it at that just I mean I think that I'm pretty sure it's just going to stay at 2714 anyway with that. You unlock the power limit, so it's obviously a lot different. To me, the app looks way better on Adrenaline, but the reason I want to try Linux is because you do get better gaming performance. So it's just like an experiment to see, because I've always wanted to try it. So it's just an experiment, and I do like challenging myself. I've literally learned in 2 days. I'm a quick learner anyway, but I've learned a lot. I mean, so what happens is you get this welcome screen. So when you first install it, you get that, and then you've got to do all these updates. You've got this, and this is where you get all your software like VLC player and stuff like that, or you can put the commands in yourself if you know them. So I mean, I'd just do that personally if you did want to go at it. You get OBS, this called. So that is pretty good. I mean, you could even install that. I'm not a big fan of that DaVinci. I didn't like it, but there is this Caden Live, which is pretty much like CapCut, so I will be using that. So there's apps on here that are basically doing the same thing, but they are different. So it is definitely really interesting to me. I mean, I do like to venture out and see if I can learn something and do. I mean, I just think it is worth, if you've literally been interested to see what Linux is like. It's literally another version of Windows, but it is so different, believe me. So I did think I might try, and I'm going to try and run some games, see if there's performance differences. Well, I know there is going to be a performance difference, but I do want to see if FSR4 works on here well, because I think I haven't fully watched the video yet, but Fabio from Ancient Gameplays has done a video, and he's said it can work well. You got to put a few commands in to activate it on the 97 XT, because before that I wasn't going to do it because it wasn't running well on Linux, I didn't think, but apparently it does if you put an extra command in to enable it. So it's definitely going to be a decent experiment for me, because yeah, when I get a bit bored on PC, I do like to try different things. So that's it for me. I will be busy doing learning as much as I can, really. I mean, this is pretty much the same, apart from you don't have a display thing, you have this. So there is a few differences, because they've literally, all these apps on Linux have all been converted. I mean, this is GOG, but it's called Mini Galaxy. So it's quite funny. I mean, I do like differences. You got all this. Hey, you're probably looking at it thinking you've never seen these apps in your life, but now I've had a good look at it. I mean, that's the only one really that's the same, along with, you've seen Firefox before. That seems to be the best browser to use on it. VLC player, that's the same name. This crap, yeah, I didn't like this control core. I need to get rid of that, uninstall it. Pretty sure I did uninstall that, to be honest. Yeah, so I'll just delete that. I mean, even this is different. It's called a waste bin on here, so you just do that. Yeah, I mean, I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what gaming is like on Linux days for sure. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.